Did you know the actress who played Melisandre in Game of Thrones almost gave up on cooking, but now looks younger than ever at nearly 50? What's her secret to stunning skin and staying fit? Keep watching to uncover Carice van Houten's surprising beauty and wellness routine. But before starting the video, let's take a quick look at her life. Carice van Houten is a celebrated Dutch actress, renowned worldwide for her role as the enigmatic Red Priestess in Game of Thrones. Besides her award-winning acting skills, Carice is admired for maintaining a glowing, youthful appearance that defies her age. So how does she do it? Let's dive into her diet, workout, and skincare secrets. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Diet routine. Carice's approach to diet emphasizes balance and nourishment. She prefers eating fresh, organic produce, often choosing seasonal fruits and vegetables to ensure maximum nutrient content. Proteins are a key part of her meals, with lean options like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins that support her active lifestyle. She believes that staying well hydrated is crucial, so she drinks plenty of water throughout the day, sometimes infused with herbs or lemon for added flavor. Carice also enjoys preparing meals at home, which allows her to control ingredients and avoid processed foods. She has a sweet tooth, but she avoids sugar-laden treats in favor of natural sweets like honey or fresh fruit. Occasionally, she indulges in sushi or healthy snacks, believing that moderation is key. She advocates for mindful eating, listening to her body's hunger cues and savoring each bite, thus helping her maintain her radiant skin and energy levels. Workout routine. Although she admits she's not rigorously athletic all the time, Carice keeps herself moving with dance and yoga. She finds joy in dancing, which keeps her body flexible, and practices yoga to improve her posture and relaxation. Her routine isn't about intense gym workouts, but about staying consistent with movement and stretching. Skincare routine. Carice's skincare philosophy revolves around simplicity and the use of natural, nourishing products. She favors a gentle cleansing routine, opting for organic cleansers that don't strip her skin's natural oils. Hydration is at the core of her skincare. She spends time moisturizing with rich, natural creams that contain ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamins. She believes that sun protection is essential, so she always applies a good SPF when outdoors, even on cloudy days. Her skincare routine also includes regular exfoliation, using mild exfoliants to renew skin cells, and she sometimes indulges in nourishing masks to boost radiance. Besides skincare products, she makes sure to get adequate sleep and reduce stress, which are critical factors for maintaining youthful skin. She also enjoys self-care rituals such as relaxing baths, often with essential oils or bath bombs, and even says she loves to incorporate quirky elements like rubber duckies during her bath time, reminding us that skincare and self-care should be fun and personal. Lifestyle tips. Carice embraces imperfections and stays authentic. She balances motherhood, acting, and wellness with humor and humility. Her secret? Don't stress, keep a positive mindset, and find joy in movement and good food. In conclusion, whether it's wholesome meals, dancing to lift her spirits, or her natural skincare rituals, Carice van Houten demonstrates that staying young is about balance, joy, and self-love. Want to glow like her? Start with these simple, sustainable habits today.